Welcome to MBBS Council. Maharashtra State Counselling Authority (SETCEL) released a schedule for Round 2 online counselling. Before moving into this video, I request you to subscribe our channel to get the current counselling updates. Online preferences for Round 2 choice filling starts on tomorrow 18th November and the last date is 23rd November for submitting the preference form till evening 5:30 pm. Round 2 seat matrix will be released on 21st November. Round 2 selection list will be released after the joining date of All India Quota Round 2. Physical joining date will be declared after that. To know more about Maharashtra State Counselling, check out the e-book now. Link is given in the description below. Let's see who are eligible to participate in Round 2 Maharashtra State Counselling. Registered candidates who did not fill their choices in Round 1. Next, registered candidates who participate in Round 1 but did not get any allotment in Round 1. Next, registered candidates Round 1 allotted seat got cancelled during the document verification due to his or her invalid or wrong claim on selected institute while reporting for admission. But still, the candidate is eligible for selection with a change of invalid or wrong claim. Candidate is eligible for participating Round 2 if they are corrected their claim. Their college selection during first round will not be valid. Next, candidate who did not join the allotted seat during Round 1. Next, candidate who have reported an allotted institute while the joining period of Round 1 allotment and did not fill the status retention form. Next, candidate who has joined and resigned their seat before last date of Round 1 joining. Such candidate need to fill fresh choices for Round 2 and the Round 1 choices will be considered as null and void. If candidate is not interested to participate in Round 2, he or she need not to fill the preferences for Round 2. Those candidates will retain their seat if they joined in Round 1. To clarify all your counseling related doubts and to get more information about the personalized counseling, click the WhatsApp floating button in the MBBS Council app. Your assigned counselor waits for you on the other side. If you like this video, subscribe our channel to get the current counseling updates and give a thumbs up. We'll meet in another video. See you then.